Hello everyone, we are back with another video. Okay, in today's video, we are going to learn about range in Python. Okay, let's start with defining the range. Let's call the function range, and we will put in parentheses the number of integers or number of elements we want in a range. For suppose I want 10 elements in my range, then if I want to print it, we need to run a for loop in order to print it. Okay, and we need also put this range in a variable. Like for suppose we will write here rain is equals to range till 10. Now we will write for loop for I in rain. Okay, print I. Okay, let's try to run the program and see what output we are having right now. Okay, look, here is a range. Here is a number of elements in a range. If I will write here like 20, then we will have 20 elements 0 to 19. All right, another thing is we can also describe a range by giving a some parameters. Like for suppose I want to print the range with the difference of 3 or with the difference of 2 or with the difference of 4, whatever you require. All right, what I need to do first, in these parentheses I need to write starting position. Let's start with 3. Okay, then give comma, and I need to also I need to write stop, like stop, start and ending position. Let's write 30, or let's write 90. Okay, in third parameter we need to give the difference, how many integers difference in between first, second, third, and so on in the variables. For suppose I will write here the difference of 3. Now I need to print it in order to look. Here is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. You can see it is almost the table of 3. Okay, let's do in a smaller range. Mm, let's say 30, and also give difference of 3. Look, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. If I will write here 31, then we will have full table of 3. Also, if I will change here, the difference is 2, then look, we have different 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, like we have even numbers. Okay, let's start with 2. 2 and difference of 2, and it will go till 30. Now it is odd numbers, right?